In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Figma design into a Squarespace website. This process is straightforward and will allow you to showcase your design beautifully on your site, enhancing its visual appeal and functionality. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide that will help you achieve this integration with ease. First things first, ensure you have a Figma account. If you're already logged in, that's fantastic. If not, take a moment to access your account. Once you're inside, direct yourself to the page that you'd like to integrate into Squarespace. This allows you to have a clear view of what you'll be working with and ensures you're set up for success. Now that your desired page is ready in Figma, look towards the top right corner and click on the Share button. This function is your gateway to sharing your design beyond the Figma platform. After you've clicked on Share, your next move is to obtain the embed code. Locate the Get Embed Code option and give it a click. Figma will generate an embed code specifically for your selected design. Once you see this code, simply click Copy. With the embed code in hand, you're well on your way to integrating your creation into Squarespace. Switching gears, navigate to your Squarespace account. Within Squarespace, move to the specific website where you want to feature your Figma design. Once you're on the right page, it's time to create a space for your design to shine. Look for the option that says Add Block. This is where you'll add a new component to your web page. Select Embed from the available options to start integrating your Figma project. Upon selecting Embed, you should see an empty space that represents where your design will live. Double-click on this area, which will present you with an editing interface. This is exactly where you need to be for adding external content to your site. To continue, click on Code Snippet, followed by Embed Code. You're almost there. Now, paste the copied Figma embed code into the space provided. Make sure the code is correctly entered, as any mistakes might affect how the design displays. Don't worry if it looks a bit technical with all those snippets of code. What matters most is ensuring it's pasted in entirely and accurately. Once you've entered the code, take a moment to review everything to ensure it feels right. After you've confirmed that all looks good, click Save. By doing this, your Figma design will be embedded into your Squarespace page. Congratulations! Your design is live and integrated, ready for the world to see, and that's it. You've successfully integrated your Figma design into Squarespace. Following these steps will help you maintain a responsive, visually engaging website that highlights your creative designs. Happy creating!